Hello students, I am Marikrishnan from Bharadasa Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakodam. Today I am going to teach about 7th standard mathematics. The topic is decimal. So before going to the topic, let us see some basics. So first one, decimal fraction. Decimal fraction. So what do you mean by fraction first? The fraction is nothing but P by Q. The fraction is of the form P by Q. So P by Q means P is numerator, Q is denominator. So numerator divided by denominator. So P by Q is called a fraction. So decimal fraction. Decimal fraction means the denominator value. The denominator value 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. So this like means the denominator value 10, 100, 1000 means then the fraction is called decimal fraction. Okay, listen. Decimal fraction. Decimal fractions means 2 by 10. Example 2 by 10, 3 by 100, 4 by 1000, 7 by 10,000. 7 by 10,000. So the denominator value 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. So these fractions is called decimal fraction. So 2 by 10, 3 by 100, 4 by 100, 4 by 1000, 7 by 10,000. This fraction is called decimal fraction. Decimal fraction converting into decimal number or decimal value. Okay. Decimal fraction converting into decimal value or decimal number. Like example 2 by 10. Simple example 2 by 10. So 2 by 10 means 2 by 10 is a fraction. So 2 by 10 is a decimal fraction also. 2 by 10 is fraction and decimal fraction also. One more thing, 2 by 10. Numerator value is less than the denominator value. So then the fraction is called the proper fraction. This is fraction or decimal fraction or proper fraction. So decimal fraction converting into decimal number. Decimal fraction converting into decimal number. So 2 by 10. 2 by 10 equal to 0.2. 2 by 10 equal to 0.2. So here having only 1 0. So only 1 point. Next one more example. 3 by 100. 3 by 100 means 0.03. 0.03. So this 0 is common. Decimal point after having here only 1 0, so having only 1 digit. Here 2 zeros having, so decimal point after having 2 digit. Next one 7 by 1000. 7 by 1000. This is equal to 0.007. 0.007. So in denominator having 3 zeros. So after decimal point having 3 digits. So this is the decimal. So this decimal value 0.2 and 0.03, 0.07 are decimal value. 2 by 10, 3 by 100, 7 by 1000. These are decimal fraction. So decimal fraction converting into decimal number or decimal value. So listen, in our daily life, every day we purchase some object. Example 1 kg sugar. 1 kg sugar equal to 50 rupees. 1 kg sugar equal to 50 rupees. The shopkeeper gives some discount or 5%. So 5%. Gives some discount of 5%. So 5% means 5 by 100. 5% means 5 by 100. So 5 by 100 is the decimal fraction. 5 by 100 is the decimal fraction. This decimal fraction converting into decimal number. This decimal fraction converting into decimal number 0.05. 0.05. So this is decimal value or decimal number. Here having 2 0. So after decimal point having 2 digit. Okay. Next one. Listen. These are percentage. 45%, 60%, offers. So next one, one more example of decimal number or decimal value. Listen, just we go to supermarket, there we will see some offer 5%, 20%, 10%. Listen, 5%, 10%, 50%. So 5%, 10%, 50%. 5% means 5 by 100. 5 by 100. 10% means 10 by 100. Next one 50%. 50% means 50 divided by 100. 50 divided by 100. So this is decimal fraction. 5 by 100, 10 by 100, 50 by 100. These are decimal fraction. This decimal fraction converting into decimal number 0.05, 0.05, 0.10, 0.10, 0.50, 0.50. Okay. So these are decimal values. These are decimal values. These are decimal fraction. These are percentage. Okay. Next one, exercise 3.1. Convert each of the following into a fraction in its simplest form. Listen, first one 0.08. 0.08 is the decimal number. 0.08. Given number is 0.08. So this decimal number converting into fraction. This decimal number converting into fraction. So first step is count after the decimal point how many digits are there. 1, 2. So having 2 digits, we want to multiply by 100 both numerator and denominator. First step 0.08 into 100 divided by 100. So here having 2 digits, after decimal point having 2 digits. So we want to multiply by 100 both numerator and denominator. So next step, denominator value 100, 0.08 into 100 we get 8. 0.08 into 100 we get 8. Listen, here having 2 digit, decimal point after 0 and 8. 0 and 8. Here having 2 0. So 2 decimal point 2 0. So cancel, we get 8. 8 by 100. 8 by. Here asking simplest form. So simplest form means simplify. Simplest form means simplify. Simplest form is simplify. So next one, fourth table. 4 2s are 425. 4 2s are 425. So we get 2 by 25. 2 by 25. So 2 by 25 is the fraction. 0.08 is the decimal value. So decimal value converting into fraction. So one more example, 0.224. After decimal point we read each digit separately. 224, not 224. Okay, 0.224 means 0.224, not 0.224. So next one 0.224 given value. So first step is consider after decimal point how many digits are there. 1, 2, 3. So after decimal point having 3 digits, we want to multiply by 1000 both numerator and denominator into 1000, denominator as the 1000. So 1000 cancel means we get same value. So 1000 divided by 1000. Next one 0.224 into 1000 we get 224. 224 divided by 1000. 224 means here having 3 digit, here having 3 zeros. So decimal value converting into whole number 0.224 into 1000 we get 224. So next one cancellation. Fourth table 4 5s are, fourth table, 4 5s are 20, remaining 2, 24, 4 6 are. Next one, 4 2s are 8, remaining 2, consider 20, 4 5s are 20, next remaining one more 0 having, so keep 0 here. So we get 56 divided by 250. Next one, 2 table. 2 2s are 4, remaining 1, 16. 2 8s are 16. Denominator, 2 1s are 2, remaining 0, 5. 2 2s are 4, remaining 1, 0. 2 5s are 10. So finally we get 28 divided by 125. 28 divided by 125. So decimal value converting into fraction. Okay. So next one, problem number 2. Convert each of the following as a mixed fraction. So listen, mixed fraction. So what do you mean by fraction? P by Q form. A fraction is a P by Q form. P by Q means numerator divided by denominator. Numerator divided by denominator. Denominator value is always greater than 0. Denominator value is always greater than 0 and not equal to 0. That is main condition. Q not equal to 0. Denominator value is always not equal to 0. Okay. So mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means the combination of real number and proper fraction. The combination of whole number and proper fraction. Listen example. 2 into 1 by 4. 2 into 1 by 4. Here 2 is the whole number and 1 by 4 is the proper fraction. So mixed fraction means the combination of whole number and proper fraction. Then the fraction is called a mixed fraction. Okay. The combination of whole number and proper fraction is called a mixed fraction. Is called a mixed fraction. So next one, given value 25.06. 25.06. So after decimal point having 2 digit, we want to multiply by 100. Very good. We want to multiply by 100. So 100 divided by 100. So next step, 25.06 into 100, we get 2506. 506 divided by 100. Next one, cancellation. 2 table, 250. 2 into 50 we get 100. Next numerator. 2 ones are 2. Remainder 0. Next one 5. 2 twos are 4. Remaining 1. Next 0. So consider 10. 2 5s are 2 3s are. 2 5s are 2 3s are. So we get 1253 divided by 50. 1253 divided by 50. This is fraction. One more name. This fraction name what ma? This fraction name is improper fraction. Why this is improper fraction? The numerator value is always greater than the denominator. The numerator value is always greater than the denominator. So this fraction is improper fraction. Improper fraction converting into mixed fraction. Improper fraction converting into mixed fraction. Listen, 1253. 1253. 52s are 100. Remainder 125 minus 100. We get 25. So next this 3. 250. Consider 253. 50 into 5, 250. 50 into 5, 250. So 253 divided by 250, we get 3. So this is equal to 25, quotient value 25 into remainder 3 divided by 50. 3 divided by 50. This fraction is mixed fraction. This fraction is mixed fraction. This fraction is mixed fraction. Okay. So next one, convert each of the following into like decimal. Listen ma, what do you mean by like fraction? First, what do you mean by like fraction? Like fraction means the denominator value is always equal. The denominator value is always equal. Example, 2 by 5, 2 by 5, 7 by 5, 100 divided by 5. So, the denominator value is always equal or same. This fraction is called like fraction. Here given like decimal. So, like decimal means, here given like decimal. Like decimal means after decimal point the digits are equal. The number of digits is equal. After decimal point the number of digit is equal. Like decimal means then after the decimal point the number of digit is equal. After decimal point the number of digit is equal. This is called like decimal. After decimal point the number of digit is equal means that is called like decimal. Listen. So first one 0.6, 5.937, 2.36, 4.2. So here highest 3 digit having. Here having only 1 digit, here 2, here also 1. So 0.6. So next one remaining 2 digit is 0. Remaining 2 digit is 0. Next one same 5.937. 5.937. Next one 2.36. 2.36. So one more digit is 0. Next one 4.2. 4.2. Next 2 digit is 0. So now see, after decimal point having 3 digit, here 3, 3, 3, 3. So this is like decimal. Okay. Next one, arrange the following decimals in an ascending order. So ascending order means smallest to largest value. Smallest value to largest value. So given values 6.54, 6.45, 6.4, 6.5, 6.05. So these values changing into like decimal. This is first step. 6.54, 6.54, 6.45, 6.45. So next one 6.4. So one more digit is 0. 6.5. 6.5. Next digit is 0. 6.05. Next one 6.05. So listen, after decimal point having 2 digit 6.54, 6.45, 6.40, 6.50, 6.0. So ascending order means smallest value to largest value. So a smallest value is 6.05. 6.05. 6.05. So next one 6.40. 6.40. 6.40 after 6.45. 6.45. So 6.45 after 6.50. 6.50. 6.50 after 6.54. 6.54. So smallest value to largest value, that is ascending order. Okay. In this session we discuss about like fraction, like decimal, next one decimal number, decimal fraction, next one like decimal. So in description box we have attached by question bank, study material and self assessment. Go through, study well. Thank you.